Hi, I'm Jenn MacDonald. I have 5 children and have been homeschooling for the last 21 years. I've got 3 more years before I'm all done homeschooling, and I have been there and done that in so many ways. I've got kids that are super academically advanced. I've got kids that really had to work hard to be able to accomplish what was completely within their grasp, but I had to present it in such a way that it was um, much more accessible to them. I have taught group classes over and over and over for homeschool kids. I've run co ops, I've started homeschool groups, I've done support groups for parents. Right now, my passion is teaching other moms how to homeschool. So, this channel. And my teenager is all of my kids have used lesson plans that I wrote and gleaned from a variety of different places. And so I am going to share those with you. I'm downloading all of my lesson plans for free, and these videos are meant to walk another homeschool mom through how to teach from those lesson plans. So eventually they'll all be online for free, and you can download them and use them at your discretion. I Because they're my individual lesson plans, please don't sell them, but you're free to use them and use them in your group classes as much as would benefit you. So I am including links to everything. And if there's an Amazon affiliate link, then I do make a small portion off of that. It's part of being able to give this to the world for free. So, and if you have questions, feel free to ask those. And I hope that my experience can benefit you in some way. Thanks so much.